The next commandment in Amazon's 10 commandments is Amazon uses a flywheel to grow. This is Jeff Bezos' business strategy. He started a long time ago in the mid-90s with an idea that if you had all of the books available for anybody to buy, that would attract lots of customers and also giving them low prices. So the customers came to Amazon to buy books. That in turn encouraged suppliers to come, starting with publishers, but then other types of suppliers too. And the flywheel starts spinning around. And in order to grow, Amazon needs to build things. They need to build a bigger website. Also needs to build warehouses, this up here. The idea was not only that Amazon would use these facilities or the web services, but also Amazon would start to sell them to other people. So Amazon started to get customers for its Amazon Web Services, and that started to grow and grow. Same thing with its fulfillment services. And the Amazon machine got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger to where it is today. Now, if you're a publisher, I want you to think that working with Amazon is not just a transaction where you sell them books and then they give you money. It's more to it than that. I think publishers should really learn how to take advantage of the data that they're getting from Amazon, the new ideas, testing different types of products, including products that may not even be books, and also encouraging customers to visit your brand, to learn about your brand outside of Amazon, and even to develop other channels for selling your books, including your own website, including other platforms like Google or Barnes & Noble or Walmart or whatever. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.